Don't forget the ramekin of hot sauce. Hey, what's up, hello? And on this stormy day, we got potatoes that we're going to first get them soft, and then cut them up, put them in the oven and roast them with some seasoning. Got chicken thighs about to season. I'm gonna start off with some oil, olive oil, and then garlic powder, onion powder, some chopped onion as well, seasoned salt, pepper, and adobo. Then this is chicken seasoning as well, and then some salt-free vegetable seasoning. So is this adobo. Okay, I did want to say something. It's the one with saffron. That looks crazy, but I'm going to put more potatoes and season them. This is the point I forgot to show you before the oven, but this is the point where we're going to flip it. Chicken thighs. Oh, I'm going to cover it, and then we're going to go back in. Then share it. Here, the potatoes all ready for the oven, and I also added some beef bacon fat to it as well. I need my cilantro. This is one jar that's in the refrigerator. I just took this off, so it's growing. I just put water in it, and I change it out often. And here's my other one. And these so far for what, 2 weeks now, I think. About to put them back in the fridge. Yeah. Also doing a salad, 2 salads actually, just because I wanted it to be a little separate, and my kale is about to start to go. So I'm doing a kale and cabbage salad. That's the bok choy and radish. Then this is the basic salad. My hands are clean. Traditional iceberg. Then we have a spring mix and spinach. Jalapenos. And then the onion, purple onion, cucumber. I might cut up another one. This is extra lettuce in case my nephew wants some. And then the cilantro here, some feta cheese. This is all we have left, but we also have shredded parm. Thai chilies I'm gonna cut up because I wanted in mine. The Parmesan. Check if the chicken is done. It's looking crispy. I'm just wondering if they want a little bit more. Let me see here. Let me do the little test. It's getting a little crispy. Wait. Oven. The chicken. And this is how we like our chicken. 425 degrees for like 5-10 minutes so I can get that crunchy top. So let's do it. Yes. We love that for us. All right. Let me go ahead and stir the potatoes because those still need to be a little bit, need a little bit more time to get a little crispy, but I'm gonna move them to the top shelf so they can. You're gonna have to listen to me stir this because it's crispy on some parts. You can hear it. And this is crispy right here. You see that? Oh, that's crispy skin. Yep. My child wants it. Here you go. It's hot. It's, oh, gosh. Oh, nope. That's hot. Okay? I had to put it down. That was hot. Look at this piece right here. It looks, I just made a mess. All right, let me just go ahead and stir. Because I'm making a mess. And the roasted potatoes. Crunch test. Wait. Oh, they are crispy. That's done. And so is the chicken and the salad. A Sunday dinner as well. This is salad stuff. Plain salad, iceberg, avocado with lemon, cilantro, radish, carrot, tomato, lemon, cucumber, onion, purple onion, jalapeno, and yeah. I think that's all. Time to make mom's plate. We're gonna go ahead, get her some greens. La la la.
Are these the crucial?
She's probably gonna want some. No, that's stuffing mix. The crucial. I'm gonna get her some bok choy. I don't know if she's a really big fan of kale, so we're just gonna bok choy.
Guess I'm gonna have to.
And then avocado. All right, that's it. Oh, I'm gonna get her some of those toppings. I'm gonna give her a teeny bit of fried garlic on hers as well. I don't have it on a fancy plate. I'm sorry. It's gonna have to do. Oh, you want? Okay, I can be fancy. Wait. Be fancy. Boop.
You always have to.
Boop. Oh, now we fancy, huh? We fancy, huh?
Bros, go to Ramsey.
All right. Don't forget the ramekin of hot sauce.